much goddamn weight on my shoulders. All I'm trying to do is live my motherfucking life. Supposed to be happy, but I'm only getting colder. Wear a smile on my face, but there's a demon inside. There's just so much goddamn weight on my shoulders. All I'm trying to do is live my motherfucking life. Supposed to be happy, but I'm only getting colder. Wear a smile on my face, but there's a demon inside. There's a demon inside, just like Jekyll and Hyde. All this anger inside, I feel like Jekyll and Hyde. Is there so much goddamn weight on your shoulders that you can't just live your motherfucking life? The story's getting old and my heart is getting colder. I just wanna be Jekyll, but I'm always fighting Hyde. You got rocks in your head, I can hear them rolling round. You can say that you're above it, but you're always falling down.
Oh, hit!
Just like Jekyll and Hyde. All this anger inside, I feel like Jekyll and Hyde. Is there so much goddamn weight on your shoulders that you can't just live your motherfucking life? The story's getting old and my heart is getting colder. I just wanna be Jekyll, but I'm always
Where'd that
fighting
connect?
Hyde. You got rocks in your head, I can hear them
You good?
rolling round.
Yeah. Where'd it hit?
Right there. No mark. They get the outside.
Oh, it's a little bit of
Got this.
No, it hit skin.
Then you hit skin through this motherfucker.
Did that hit skin?
That hurt.
Did it hit that here right there?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not bleeding or anything. It's not like
Fuck, because it hit that. God damn.
that's over 50 feet. I made sure my minimum engagements was really far back.
No, I'm not worried about that.
No, I'm just making sure I don't want to be hurting people.
Yeah,
That's just
no.
a dick move. You good?
What, yeah. Fuck, rang my bell, dude. I didn't even fucking see you either.
Huh?
Had no clue you were there with your fucking...
I went all the way around. I've been crawling since the beginning, since the game started. I figured my buddy's crawling back here somewhere.
Good shot, man. Knocked the shit out of me. Thank you for coming checking on me. Good one. I'd move if I was you.
But I'm only getting colder. Wear a smile on my face, but there's a demon inside. There's a demon inside, just like Jekyll and Hyde. All this anger inside, I feel like Jekyll and Hyde. Is there so much goddamn weight on your shoulders that you can't just live your motherfucking life? The story's getting old and my heart is getting colder. I just wanna be Jekyll, but I'm always fighting Hyde. You got rocks in your head, I can hear them rolling round. You can say that you're above it, but you're always falling down. Is there a method to your madness? Is it all about pride? Seems everyone I know, they got a demon inside. There's a demon inside, just like Jekyll and Hyde. All this anger inside, I feel like Jekyll and Hyde. If I wasn't so deranged, could I ever face the pain? If I ever were to change, would the song remain the same? All I'm trying to do is live my motherfucking life. With a smile on my face, but there's a demon inside. All I'm trying to do is live my motherfucking life. With a smile on my face, but there's a demon inside.
Window! Ah, fuck. I got bait over here too.